Well, breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj at the moment. This is about the stampede-like situation we have been tracking on NDTV. Several pilgrims are feared injured after a stampede-like situation broke out earlier this morning at the Mahakumbh ahead of the Amrit Snan on Mauni Amavasya. Rescue operations are currently underway as we speak, with emergency services attending to the injured and authorities investigating the cause of this stampede. In fact, officials on the grounds said that as per preliminary information, it seemed as though certain pilgrims had busted some barriers, but around 30 women were injured when a stampede-like situation unfolded in Prayagraj at the Mahakumbh on the morning of Mauni Amavasya, prompting akhadas to actually call off their holy dip. But as crores of pilgrims streamed into the 10th city in Prayagraj ahead of the Amrit Snan, amid a surging crowd about a kilometer away from the Sangam, barricades broke, leading some women to faint. As per preliminary information, as the unconscious women fell, the stampede-like situation began. They were then rushed to a hospital within the Mahakumbh fairgrounds. Further, some seriously injured women were sent to Bailey Hospital and Swaroop Rani Medical College for further treatment, as my colleague Ranveer was reporting live from Prayagraj. In fact, Ranveer joins us live at the moment as well from Prayagraj. Ranveer, take us through the current situation. What's happening? Do we have any clarity on what led to the chaos and stampede-like situation this morning? Was it solely overcrowding?
Yes. Last night at around 1 a.m. Near the Sangam, some of the devotees were sitting beside the road and some of the devotees were trying to enter the Sangam area, and there was a huge crowd. You can see this is the number of crowd. So at around 1 a.m. a huge number of devotees were gathered near the Sangam, and due to some pushing up by the fellow devotees, the barricade at the Sangam road was broken, and that led to a stampede-like situation. So some of the devotees, mainly women, they got injured mainly due to suffocation, and that led to a stampede-like situation at around 1 a.m. and after that many ambulances were sent to the spot. The injured were taken to Central Hospital Mahakumbh, along with Bailey Hospital and Swaroop Rani Hospital, and they are being treated in the hospital right now. But if we talk about today morning, you can see this is the crowd which is returning back from Sangam after taking holy dip. So the number of devotees is huge, and you can see this is the crowd. These are the devotees who are returning back from Sangam. कहाँ से हैं आप?
बहराइच।
हो गया स्नान?
जी।
आराम से हुआ?
जी बहुत।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं। कोई परेशानी नहीं। बहुत अच्छा व्यवस्था है।
हो गया?
एकदम। सुबह आए, स्नान कराए, सबको ले गए, शासन प्रशासन वहाँ तक पहुँचा रहा है। कोई दिक्कत, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
वहाँ दिक्कत हो गई थी, आप लोग को जानकारी
हो गया, इतना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ था उसके लिए। पब्लिक को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
साधन की व्यवस्था जरूर करनी चाहिए।
अब जहाँ इतना पब्लिक है, थोड़ा बहुत तो हो जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उसके लिए।
आराम से बहुत अच्छा
हो गया। आप लोग का
हाँ, स्नान हो गया बड़े आराम से।
See, this is the crowd. They were saying that now the situation is under control, and if you talk about the crowd, I am personally witnessing a huge crowd since last few days, and yesterday all the pontoon bridges were closed by administration just to ensure that no devotee can get to avert any accidents. So this is why the pontoon bridges were closed, but now the akhadas have decided not to take holy dip today on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, and now the pilgrims, the devotees are taking holy dip at Sangam easily, and as per the devotees who are returning back from Sangam area after taking holy dip, they are saying that the arrangements are now up to the mark. हो गया स्नान?
हाँ जी, स्नान हो गया है। बहुत अच्छे से हुआ, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
कोई दिक्कत परेशानी
नहीं, कोई परेशानी
नहीं है, और सारी सब चीजें ठीक है, व्यवस्था हमें ठीक लगी है।
आराम से हो गया।
मोदी जी की बहुत बढ़िया व्यवस्था।
रात में दिक्कत हुई?
योगी जी जिंदाबाद।
योगी सुबह के टाइम स्नान कराया हमने। हाँ, हमने रात के समय
पहुंचे थे?
हम तो 3 दिन हो गए हम आए।
कब पहुंचे संगम?
संगम पे हम 5 बजे के आसपास, 5:30 के आसपास।
तब सब हालात सामान्य थे?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सामान्य है, सब अच्छा हो रहा है।
So these are the devotees who are returning back. They are saying that they reached Sangam at around 5 a.m. But now the situation is under control, and you can see the devotees who are returning back. They are saying that the arrangements are up to the mark. So Prime Minister Modi spoke to CM Yogi Adityanath. He also spoke about the situation. He assured all help from central government also, and akhadas, especially akhadas, because today the day of Mauni Amavasya is the prominent day for akhadas, the sadhu, the saints, and the holy day on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya is the main event during Mahakumbh for saints. But now, after the stampede-like situation, the akhadas have decided not to take holy dip, and they are inside their camps, inside their shivir, and now the sadhus have decided not to take holy dip, so that the devotees who are in Mela area since last 1 or 2 days, they can take holy dip easily. So administration is taking stock of the situation, monitoring the situation, and the situation, we can say, is now normal after this stampede-like situation last night.